Well, hi guys. Welcome to my channel. I recently built this birdhouse, which later on in future videos we'll be building another one just like this one. We built everything and anything out of wood, wooden furniture, birdhouses, uh, flower beds, garden benches, wishing wells, you name it, we built them. Even some toys, we built wooden toys. Um, just wanted to show you this birdhouse that's already been built. We'll be building another one so you guys can see it. But if you guys like uh, building things or woodworking, please subscribe to the channel, because we're going to be making a lot of projects. Um, please like and subscribe. Leave us a comment. Tell me what you want to see me build. And in our future videos, we'll be building those projects. This is just a quick little video to let you guys know what's this new channel is all about. And please come with me, and we'll be building wooden projects. Thank you guys, and I hope you all come aboard.